Hello, you lovely people. Let's have a little chat about something truly special. I'm talking about a big, beautiful bowl of homemade vegetable soup. It's more than just food. It's like a warm hug from the inside out. When the wind is howling and the rain taps on your window, there's nothing quite like it. This is proper comfort food. It makes you feel safe, cozy, and looked after. It reminds me of my mom's kitchen, steamed windows and vegetables simmering on the stove. It's a simple pleasure, one of the best. Making your own soup is a brilliant thing to do. It's a real act of love, for yourself, for your family, for your mates. It's about simple, honest ingredients turned into something magical. You don't need to be a fancy chef. All you need is a big pot, fresh veg, a little bit of time. The process is relaxing. Gentle chopping of vegetables, the sizzle as they hit the pan, the glorious aroma filling the house. A wonderful way to slow down and connect with your food. Now, let's talk about why this soup is so good for us. It's not just delicious, it's packed with goodness. Every spoonful is brimming with vitamins and minerals. We're using a whole rainbow of vegetables. Each color brings different nutrients. Carrots, vitamin A, great for your eyes. Tomatoes, vitamin C, boosts the immune system. Spinach or kale, packed with iron and more. It's like a multivitamin in a bowl, but tastier. Soup is a fantastic way to get hydrated. A bowl of soup is mostly water. It helps top up your fluids, especially when it's cold and you don't feel thirsty. Staying hydrated helps everything in your body work properly, from your brain to your muscles. It keeps your skin fresh and gives you energy. Soup is a brilliant way to get more fiber. Vegetables, beans, lentils. Fiber is like a superhero for your tummy. Keeps digestion happy, helps you feel fuller for longer. Instead of a sugary snack, a small bowl of hearty vegetable soup can stop hunger pangs. It's satisfying without feeling heavy. Pure, clean energy. Cook veg in soup and you hold on to all the goodness. When you boil veg, vitamins can escape into the water. But in soup, that water stays in the pot. All those nutrients become part of your delicious broth. You're sipping every last drop of health and happiness. It's just brilliant. When autumn rolls around, everything changes, doesn't it? Leaves turning gold, red, brown, a new crispness in the air, time to pull on a cozy jumper. The perfect time to get back into the kitchen and start making soup. Autumn is for slowing down and getting cozy. A warming bowl of vegetable soup is the culinary equivalent of putting on your favorite comfy slippers. Markets are overflowing. Beautiful pumpkins, sweet potatoes, gnarly celeriac, deep green leeks, made for soup. Seasonal means fresher, tastier, often cheaper. We gather indoors more. A big pot of soup brings everyone together. It's made for sharing, mugs by the fire or a loaf of crusty bread at the table. Not fussy or formal, relaxed and communal. Food that encourages conversation and laughter. The heart of a happy, cozy autumn home. After a walk, cheeks rosy, a bit peckish. What's better than a pot gently bubbling on the stove? The smell makes you feel at home. A simple, beautiful welcome that warms you from fingers to toes and makes everything feel right. Celebrate the season's bounty and the natural rhythm of the year with every spoonful. When winter truly sets in, frosty mornings, dark early evenings, a bowl of soup becomes more than a meal. It becomes a necessity. Your secret weapon against the biting cold. Eating something hot when the world is frozen is deeply comforting. It's like stoking a little fire inside your body. Warmth spreads through you, chasing away the shivers, making you feel strong. In winter, we crave hearty, nourishing food. We need energy to stay warm and to fight off coughs and colds. Homemade vegetable soup is the perfect answer. Light enough not to weigh you down, substantial enough to satisfy. Vitamins and nutrients boost your immune system and keep you healthy. Make a massive batch on the weekend. Then you've got delicious, healthy, ready-made bowls all week. Heat one whenever you need comfort. The holidays call for comfort and togetherness. A pot of soup adds to that festive, cozy atmosphere. A light starter and perfect for the days after. Back from building a snowman or a brisk family walk, ladling out steaming bowls is a simple act of care that brings everyone together. It's the taste of a happy winter. Alright, let's get down to the fun part, the ingredients. The star is the vegetables. Use whatever you've got. Odds and ends welcome. If starting from scratch, here's a classic lineup that always delivers. First up, the base. The Holy Trinity: onions, carrots, celery. Sweet, aromatic foundation. We need body. Potatoes are your best friend. Floury kinds like Maris Piper or King Edward thicken the soup as they break down. Sweet potatoes add color and gentle sweetness. Add a leek. Milder, sweeter than onion, melting into the pot. It's all about building layers. Flavor boosters. A can of chopped tomatoes, a clove or two of garlic. Don't be shy. Greens like spinach, kale, or cabbage get stirred in near the end. Liquid and seasoning. Good vegetable stock. Cube, stock pot, or homemade. Dried thyme and a bay leaf, while it simmers, release aromatic oils. For extra protein and texture, add cannellini beans, or well-rinsed red lentils. They make it even more hearty and satisfying. A colorful, nourishing cast working in harmony. Right then, grab your biggest pot and let's get cooking. It's so easy. Wash and chop everything. Rustic, chunky, no need for perfection. Dice onions, carrots, celery, potatoes, and slice your leek. Crush the garlic. Having it prepped makes it smooth. Mise en place, medium heat. A good lug of olive oil. Tip in onions, carrots, celery. Stir. Let them sweat about 10 minutes. Don't rush. This is where magic starts. Softening, natural sugars, sweet base. Onions turn translucent, stir to prevent sticking. Smells incredible. Add potatoes, leeks, then garlic. Stir and cook a couple minutes until the garlic is fragrant. Pour in chopped tomatoes and vegetable stock. Cover the veg. Drop in a bay leaf, sprinkle dried thyme. Add lentils now if using. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat. Lid slightly ajar, let it gently simmer. Bubble for 30 to 40 minutes until tender. The longer it simmers, the more flavors meld. Last 5 minutes, stir in spinach or kale. Add canned beans to warm through. Taste. Season with salt and pepper. That's it. Your beautiful soup is ready. Want to take it to the next level? First up, texture. Blend it smoother and creamier with a stick blender. Right in the pot. Just be careful, it's hot. Blend all the way smooth, or pulse a few times to keep chunks. Chunky veg with a velvety broth, best of both worlds. Brighten at the end, a big squeeze of lemon before serving. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil adds peppery richness and a beautiful sheen. We use dried herbs to cook. Finish with fresh parsley, chives, or basil for vibrant notes. Try a spoonful of pesto in the pot, or a dollop on top. Don't forget toppings. Make croutons. Toss bread in a little oil and bake until golden. Grate Parmesan or sharp cheddar. Toast pumpkin or sunflower seeds for crunch. These extras make each bowl special and let everyone customize their own. The best part of cooking is sharing. This soup is made for it. No fancy plates needed. Ladle into big bowls, or your favorite chunky mugs to warm your hands. Don't fill to the top. Leave room for toppings and easy carrying. A warm, crusty loaf is perfect. Sourdough or rustic farmhouse. Tearing big chunks and dunking into hearty soup is pure satisfaction. Toast slices and rub with garlic for quick garlic bread, or make cheesy toast soldiers for dipping. Leave the pot on a low heat and let people help themselves. Put out grated cheese, fresh herbs, croutons, and a little olive oil. Everyone personalizes their bowl. Interactive and fun, and it takes the pressure off you. Food brings people together. A simple pot of soup says, "I care about you." It's warm, nourishing, made with love, perfect for under-the-weather days and cold nights. Laughter around the table, clinking spoons, shared sighs of satisfaction. It's more than eating, it's feeding the heart. So there you have it, my lovely people. The simple, beautiful, brilliant world of homemade vegetable soup. It's more than a recipe, it's a feeling. Warmth on a cold day. Being looked after. Joy from simple ingredients. It's a hug in a bowl. A pot of gold at the end of a rainy day. No big secret or complicated technique. Just good food. Cooked with a bit of love. I want you to give it a go. Don't be afraid to experiment. Use vegetables you love. Seasonal gems or the ones that need using up. Throw in beans or lentils. Add a pinch of chili flakes. Blend it smooth or keep it chunky. The recipe is a guide. The magic is when you make it yours. Get the kids involved. Make it a fun family activity. Imagine a chilly evening. You're tired after a long day. A big, beautiful pot of soup waits. Heat a bowl. Grab a chunk of bread. Curl up on the sofa. That first spoonful, pure bliss. Warm, tasty, full of goodness. You made it yourself. Simple self-care. Slow down and appreciate the little things. This autumn and winter, make some soup. Make a big batch and fill the freezer. Share with friends and family. Drop a container to a neighbor. Spread the warmth. Cooking for others is one of the kindest things you can do. It's cheap, it's healthy, it's delicious. Now get in that kitchen and cook up some comfort. You'll be so glad you did. Happy cooking, everyone.